Welcome to Visionary Designs, where we explore design styles that turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary sanctuaries. Today, we're diving deep into the world of modern farmhouse design, focusing on how to create a living room that blends rustic charm with contemporary elegance. Picture yourself walking into a living room that combines the warmth of a country farmhouse with the sleek lines of modern design. In this space, you'll discover how to craft a cozy, stylish environment where every detail contributes to an inviting, homey atmosphere. The modern farmhouse living room is all about creating a space that feels both relaxed and sophisticated. Start by setting a neutral foundation with a color palette of soft whites, warm grays, and gentle beiges. These colors not only create a serene backdrop, but also allow the natural textures and materials to stand out. At the heart of this room is a comfortable, oversized sofa. Choose one with a classic, relaxed design. Think plush cushions and a soft, durable fabric. A slip-covered sofa in a neutral tone fits perfectly within the farmhouse aesthetic, offering both comfort and style. Layer this with an assortment of cozy throw pillows in varying textures and patterns, like knitted, wool, or even plaid. To enhance the farmhouse look, blend vintage charm with modern functionality. Start with a rustic wooden coffee table that anchors the room. Opt for a piece with natural imperfections and a lived-in feel. Complement this with a classic farmhouse-style armchair or two. Look for designs with clean lines and a touch of vintage flair, such as a wingback or ladderback chair. Layer the room with a patterned area rug that ties together the color scheme and adds warmth to the flooring. Choose a rug with a subtle pattern or texture to maintain the cozy feel while adding visual interest. Incorporate built-in shelving or a vintage-inspired console to display curated decor items. Think of charming farmhouse accessories, such as ceramic vases, galvanized metal trays, and wooden photo frames. A mix of vintage finds and contemporary pieces creates a balanced look. Greenery is essential in farmhouse decor. Place potted plants, a vase of fresh flowers, or a small herb garden to infuse the space with life and color. Lighting is crucial for setting the right ambiance in your modern farmhouse living room. Start with a statement chandelier that merges rustic and industrial elements. A fixture with a wooden or iron frame can add character and a touch of elegance. For additional lighting, use warm-toned lamps on side tables or a floor lamp in a corner. Soft, ambient lighting helps create a cozy, inviting atmosphere that's perfect for relaxing and entertaining. For the finishing touches, add personal elements that reflect your style and enhance the farmhouse feel. Hang a large rustic mirror above the fireplace or on a feature wall to reflect light and make the space feel larger. Choose framed artwork that features farmhouse motifs or serene landscapes. Use patterned curtains in light, airy fabrics to frame your windows, allowing natural light to filter through while adding a touch of elegance. Accessories like woven baskets, wooden trays, and cozy throw blankets complete the look. These small details contribute to the room's overall warmth and charm. Consider incorporating a reading nook with a comfortable armchair, a small side table, and a lamp. This corner can become a favorite spot for unwinding with a good book or a cup of tea. Creating a modern farmhouse living room is about blending rustic charm with contemporary comfort to form a space that is both stylish and inviting. By focusing on neutral colors, cozy textures, and thoughtful decor, you can transform your living room into a haven of warmth and elegance. We hope these tips inspire you to create your own modern farmhouse retreat. If you enjoyed this design journey, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more design inspiration. Share your thoughts and your own farmhouse-style tips in the comments below. Until next time, may your home be a blend of comfort, style, and warmth.